Hello everyone, I am Aradhna Soni, Assistant Professor of Sage University, Bhopal. Today, I am going to be discuss in basic electrical and electronics, which is concept of transformer. So, let's move on and discuss what is transformer. So, transformer is a passive electric device that transfer electrical energy from one circuit to another circuit, and in this purpose of electromagnetic induction, and it is the most commonly used increase or decrease transformer. So whenever increase the voltage, so voltage is so transformer is step up, and whenever decrease the voltage, so transformer is work on step down. And let's move on. uh, In other words, what is transformer? Transformer is a static electrical machine which transfer AC electrical power from one circuit to another circuit at a constant frequency, but the voltage level can be altered. That means voltage can be increased or decreased according to requirement. And this is the transformer diagram. This winding is primary current. This is the primary voltage. This is the primary number of turns. This is the secondary number of turns. This is a secondary voltage, or this is the secondary number of secondary winding के number of turns. And this whole internal diagram is is transformer. So whenever currents come in the coil and current flow through the primary winding as well as secondary winding, and the current after the current flux will induce in the core section. After the flux induce primary coil as well as secondary coil, and these flux is mutually induced primary as well as secondary. This is known as mutual flux, a mutual induced EMF, that is electromotive force, mutual flux, that is phi m. And this phi flux is also is induced in the secondary winding and get the desired output. And these secondary winding circuits, the output is closed, totally closed. And when we want to give the output, and we want to got the desired output from the secondary winding. So this is the process of transformer. And let's move on and discuss the construction of transformer. So construction, this is the distribution of transformer, and this the conservator tank, breather, low voltage bushes, cooling tube, drain off, tank cover, main tank. This is the construction of distribution transformer, and this is the parts. Let's move on. The working principle of transformer. So the transformer is basically work on mutual inductance between the two or more windings, and it's also work on the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, which state that the magnetic of voltage is directly proportional to the rate of change of flux. And the transformer theory basically work on the transformer internal diagram. First is supply the current to the from the alternating electrical source, and the alternating current through a winding produce a continuously changing alternating flux, and then surrounding the winding. If another winding is brought close to the winding, same portion of this alternation flux will be linked with the secondary winding, and this flux is continuously changing its amplitude and direction. There must be a changing flux linkage in the secondary winding or coil. And so the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction work in this here. So EMF induced in the secondary winding, if the circuit of the secondary winding is closed, then the current will flow through it. And the basic working principle of transformer, like let us electrical symbol, the, this is the visualize, and the winding which is receive electrical power from the source is known as the primary winding, and the got the final output of the secondary winding. And this is the link flux link diagram, how to flux link with the secondary uh, primary winding as well as secondary winding, and we can got the desired output of from the secondary winding. And now the step up of transformer and a step down transformer. Basically, transformer is the two types: step up and step down. The step up transformer is basically work on the voltage. Whenever increase the voltage, so it's work on the step up transformer. A step up transformer, it means less number of primary coil then the secondary coil, is known as a step up transformer. And if you talk about the step down transformer, so the voltage is decreased between the primary to secondary winding, and this step down, in this process a step down transformer work. And a step down transformer work, the more number of turns in the primary coil than the secondary coil, then the voltage will decrease step down. And let's move on and discuss what is the ideal transformer. So ideal transformer, whenever input is give in the primary winding, and also supply is flow, and the desired output will get in the secondary winding. So it is the ideal transformer. Ideal transformer is the core section, provides the low reluctance path of the winding is the with proper output whenever supply is flow in the primary winding, and final output to give in the secondary winding is known as ideal transformer. And this is the ideal transformer diagram. This is the primary winding, link flux, core, secondary winding, and main flux. So this is the core section, and core section is which flow the flux, and this flux with mutually link with the primary winding as well as secondary winding. So this is the whole process of known as the ideal transformer. And the basically transformer parts and construction. So the three main parts of transformer: first is primary winding of transformer, second is magnetic core of transformer, and third is secondary winding of transformer. So primary of transformer, which produce magnetic flux when it is connected to an electrical source. Magnetic core of transformer, the magnetic flux produced by the primary winding that will passes through the low reluctance path linked with the secondary winding. And the secondary winding of transformer, the flux produced by the primary winding passes through the core and will link with the secondary winding, and this winding was also known as wound on the same core gives the desired output of the transformer. And why this necessary of transformer? Because the electrical power is generated 11 kV for economical reason. AC power is transmitted at very high voltage, say 220 kV or 440 kV overload long distance. There a step up transformer is applied at generating station. For now, for the safety reason, voltage is stepped down to different levels by step down transformer at various substation to feed the power to the different location. Thus the utilization of power done 400 to 230 voltage. If you want to power on the domestic purpose, so step down transformer it work, and if you want to power for the industrial purpose, so step up transformer is used. And this is construction of transformer, the mainly four part divided in the four parts: magnetic circuit, electrical circuit, dielectric circuit, tank and accessories. And the types of transformer, the mainly two types of transformer in this section. First is core types and second is cell type. And the according to transformer ratio, the two types of transformer ratio: step up and step down. And the types of services, if you talk about the type of services, so types of services, mainly six type. First is power transfer, second is distribution transformer, third is instrument transformer, current transformer, potential transformer or auto transformer. On the basis of supply, two types of supply: single phase and three phase is applied in the transformer. And the EMF equation, so EMF equations is ratio of voltage and the number of turns. And the losses of the transformer, so three types of losses in the transformer. First is core type, second is copper losses, and third is stray losses. And the efficiency of transformer, so the ratio between the output power and output power plus losses, that is known as efficiency of transformer. So this, yeah, some pictures of here: power transformer, distribution transformer, and this the instrument transformer, and this is the current transformer, this is the potential transformer, this is the auto transformer. And the lots of transformer, the six type of transformer is here in the useful for the domestic or industrial purpose. So the lecture is over, and finish the topics of all transformer related topics. Thank you for watching.